What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day, it's a big day. We are gonna pull off the head of Sparky. We have our friend Jason with us today. We'll have a couple of other people joining us. But I am super pumped, I'm ready. We got some lighting equipment. We have all of our tools. We have what we've already removed. And I'm very excited. Our plan for the day is just going to be to try to remove the head. Just to remove the head, see what's wrong, see if we can get some kind of diagnosis so that over the winter I can kind of gather parts and see if the head needs to be machined and hopefully eliminate as much variability as possible when I'm putting this thing back together. So our game plan is going to be, I think, start with the cooling system. Then we will move up to the cowl. We'll pull that off, pull the wipers off so we can get the intake off of here. Once you get the intake off, do the valve cover, pull the Vanos off. I have our Vanos tools over here, along with our timing tools, which got these for free off of somebody, which was a huge shout, because these are not really that cheap. Never done timing on an S52 before, so this will be an experience. Once we have the Vanos off, I think we'll do the headers last, and then it'll just be onto the head. So, and honestly, it sounds like a lot, but there's a really good YouTube series on YouTube. I'll put in the description. It's like E36 head gasket, made by like one of the OG E36 YouTubers. And it was very helpful. We're basically gonna be following that like verbatim for this job. So let's go ahead and get started. How am I stripped it out? Wow, that was... All right, plan B. So, quick status update. We're working the cowl off. This screw down here is so annoying. I like pulled the ECU off to try to get this wire, and I'm getting it, but like that is so frustrating. Comment down below if you guys have had to pull your ECU before to get the cowl off. That's just poor design, in my opinion. We also have Steven here with us. He's the owner of the E36 M3. You probably remember from a couple other videos, but he's gonna be the kind of expert, sort of. Yeah, none of us really know what we're doing. We're kind of just winging it. Have you ever done a head gasket before?
No, I have not actually.
You haven't?
I have not.
Nope, biggest job for all of us. So we're working the intake off now, and we'll just keep going. This is Max, everybody.
What's up, guys?
That's his daily. 255,000 mile?
Yeah, it's like 240, but...
Oh, sorry, 240. No, I mixed his and mine up because they're so high mileage. Yeah, 240,000 mile Fiesta. That's insane. Our parts are piling up over here. I'm gonna try to keep this organized. That radiator, I think I'm gonna return that. That thing's kind of gross. It's only like 3 years old. Look at it. Oh yeah, look at me.
Look at you.
I almost have the bolt off. In the time it's taken me to try to remove this cowl bolt, Steven has been able to pull basically the entire intake, elbow, and throttle body.
Try to be quick.
This is so bad, guys. Excuse my language. Alright, there we go. Cowl removed. Oh, dude, the auto. Okay, I was wondering why the AutoZone masking tape was so much more expensive. One, the packaging, you can take it off your hands. They give you little slits, and the tape, when you first open it, gives you like little notches. So that's why this is $9. And convenience. There's that too. Okay, so 102. It's tape. And this is also going to get blue tape. I know. Blue tape goes with blue tape. That way, when we're plugging it back in, they don't get separated. Yep. Yeah, right there. Alright, so that is added to the list. Future sighting, don't forget, you need a fuel injector screw. That's why I think it's. Oh yeah, because they give you like factory spots.
You can feel if you cut that.
So then at least we could get more space.
Where did I set them?
Yeah, we need the cutters.
Where the hell did I set them?
Right here.
Oh. Alright.
Whew. Back hurts. I'm actually, while we're doing, before we get too much shit everywhere, I'm gonna pull this ending cover off. Yes. Clear up. Are you right now, dude? That was like literally, like the only way that could have went worse is if it went in the coolant. All right. Prices averted. I'll put that under the table. Thank you. Yeah, I'm so happy. Oh, there's more gas. That was what I was waiting for. I think if you hold it up from under here just so it stays, yeah. Oh, beautiful. Hang on. I feel like we're in a science lab. We're like concocting tools to make this work. Okay, I know pulling the radiator off isn't a requirement for a head gasket, but it makes it so much easier. Oh, yes. Dude! Alright, we found the life hack for pulling this manifold nut off.
Yep.
Swivel socket.
Swivel sockets. Swivel sockets are always the solution.
And determination. I can't forget that one. Hear that, guys? Determination. Why is it stuck again?
Binding.
On?
Itself.
Sometimes
those wobblies will bind on themselves.
And then do I just power through it or do I have to realign it?
Oh, no, you gotta realign it.
Oh. Oh, okay, that makes sense actually. It's just like designed to kind of help you get it off and then... Oh, yep, that's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
It was binding on itself. Oh, well now this is out of the way, I can actually get the nut for the CCV. That was really close. It was a close call. What's this?
Woo! She's off.
Oh, never mind. No, that's how it's supposed to be. I'm stupid. Oh, so you actually have somewhere to... Dude, that's smart. Okay, that's good engineering. You get a little tab, and rip it all off from there. I'm not going to do it yet. We'll do it like when I'm actually replacing it, but... Actually, that doesn't look too bad at all. This has definitely been replaced before. I like a couple of things up here, but I'm going to put most of it down there. Let's see. Let's come out with that. Alright, ready for this, Johnny? Dude, I'm so glad we put tape around those O2 sensors. They're just like completely lost in here now.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll eat Jeff's pizza next to the valve cover.
That's the dipping sauce.
Yeah, that's the dipping sauce. Yeah, it better be in nice shape, dude. This thing's new. $456. Stupid. Our ever expanding parts table. How are we looking?
Good.
Actually, just
Kane's got good tension.
Dude, that's really good tension. What is this?
O2.
Oh, okay. I was wondering where he went. All right, we'll just snake you around there. You can hang out with your friend, and then you know that they're lined up because when they're good, the bracket will line up and they'll both thread in. That it? Oh, there we go. Ah, okay. I think that's money. Yeah, no, I was looking at it because this had a slight gap and this was kind of pressed up.
Let me see. Oh yeah, no, you're good now. Yep, doesn't need to sit flush.
Yeah. Yeah, those are correct. All right.
Those are gonna be on there.
Yeah. We definitely do not want to strip these ones.
No.
It's a good sound. There we go.
I mean,
Oh, no, that's definitely... Okay, no, that's all of them, for sure. Yep.
Here she
this
is.
has gotta come off.
Here, do we want... Oh, okay, that's what I was... Yeah. Let him hang out. Alright, we're gonna pull the Vanos off while I'm rotating. Oh, that was so easy.
Let's go.
Dude,
There she is.
this is the thing that everybody says is terrible about BMWs.
Yeah.
Vanos. So now we got these guys here. So now he's off. So I'm gonna do these 10s. Okay, so he, yeah. So this way. Wait, is this directional? I don't remember.
Should put like tape on it or something?
I'll put it down, like I'll set it down the way it goes.
Yep.
So it was oil side, and
So, yeah, so that's
this has a direction. So this is bow outwards. So it goes in like that. These should now slide out. Maybe, kind of, sort of. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, dude, we're getting nitty gritty now.
I know, down in this thing.
So he's coming off that. Alright, that looks funny. Alright. Oh, I think this guy will only go on one way, but just in case I need it, he went on like that. Oh, losing oil. Oh, and I think it's a guide, or it's like got both in it. Now I think this thing should just, yep.
Yeah, so now I can just put the bolts back in it.
I'll just leave the Allen key inside of him. Tensioner, baby.
Did it.
What?
Yep, it looks.
Oh. I was really worried there. Did not need to be.
One of those.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Okay, so we have all of the Vanos apart. Right now, Steven's working on the headers. Next, I think we're on to the timing chain tensioner as well here, or the guide, excuse me. And then I think we have everything off that needs to be off to pull the head. There we go. He's a long boy. That's why it was being difficult. Dude, this thing's not even in bad shape. What the heck? Look at that.
That looks good, honestly.
We're gonna get a new one anyway, but like, damn.
You haven't replaced that yet, so it's like a
No, it's original.
30-year-old piece of plastic.
Yeah, dude.
It's in pretty good shape, yeah.
I'm not upset about that. Look at the length difference between these two, dude. That's bad. At least you can't lose them.
That's true.
Oh, that was what I needed to do. Okay. Wait, now we have the orientation of our timing chain saved. This guy.
I feel like impossible to get that out. You had to do this on your M3 too?
Thank God, no. I had to do manifolds, but I haven't had to do a head job yet.
Hopefully,
It'll come.
you get a long time before you do.
That's good.
For
Yeah,
header.
just anything. Oh shit.
No!
Oh man, what?
No!
I missed like 3.
No!
Fucking man.
Fuck!
Those are way down there. Unless those are not. No, those are definitely manifolds.
Right? Let's see, we're jamming on it. Alright. Future Sunny, the longer 8 E-torques for the head, the longer one goes on the top side. The shorter one goes on the exhaust side. So, shorter, longer.
Alright, well.
Yeah. Thank you for your help anyway.
Oh, you're welcome.
Dude, that...
I mean, we're 99%
damn.
of the way there.
So close, dude. Well, everyone, we almost got it. We didn't quite get it. The head is not coming off today. We tried everything to get this thing off the car, but it is just seized on there. 2 guys tugging it back and forth. We made sure all 14 head bolts are off. It's actually 16. There's 14 main ones, 2 front guys. Nothing was working. So at least we tried. Fortunately, everything else came off pretty smoothly. We didn't drop any bolts. We didn't lose anything. Everything's in time. It's all together. So frankly, this wasn't what we hoped for, but it could have been a lot worse. So with that said, everybody, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed and are excited to see more of this E36 revival series. We made really good progress today. Made me a lot more confident in this car. And now I have a better idea as to like what the car needs and how this is all going to go. I had this crazy idea in my head that I was going to like replace everything. And from a price standpoint, it makes sense. But I've been looking at, everything, and it's a lot. So comment down below any ideas of things I should replace. I'm thinking like the full cooling hose kit, idler pulleys, the blower motor fan thingy, and probably just some other odds and ends. I'm not totally sure. Any parts recommendations? I have crank sensor on there. I'm thinking about knock sensors. Whatever, let me know. But I'm tired. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. I mean, there's a huge mess. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.